Zeely AI App Review. Let's get started. Zeely AI App represents itself as a tool for enhancing sales through AI-generated advertisements and marketing materials. However, user experiences and reviews reveal a mix of positive feedback and significant concerns. So let's talk about its positive aspects. First is it has a user-friendly interface. Now, some users appreciate Zeely's intuitive design, which simplifies the creation of marketing content. And it also has AI generated content. So that's one of its positive aspects. The app offers AI driven ad creatives, including video and static ads, which some users find beneficial for their marketing efforts. Now, however, it has reported issues and concerns, and one of them is the billing discrepancies. For example, multiple users reported unexpected charges, including being billed after canceling during the trial period, or facing difficulties in stopping recurring payments. They also have customer support challenges. There are numerous complaints about unresponsive or AI-only customer support, making issue resolution difficult. Now, while Zilly offers tools that could be beneficial for creating marketing content, the significant number of complaints regarding billing, customer support, and content quality raise concerns about its reliability. So, potential users should exercise caution, thoroughly review the terms of service, and consider these reported issues before committing to the platform.